machine that's pumping. Anger is dying for the reason that we've been undivided. We beginning to shine it with the brightness to even brighten. And what you find is with or without the passengers in your flying. Never retire, we're spinning till I'm just flying. Tight in the jump. In the jump. We suffer as a country to keep no matter. That's a country everyone has was building blocks. Put a lot of channel for that better from the woman. It's all clear up here, and I ain't going nowhere. Still, carrying my dollar like a surplus player. Still, I'm a from fitness there. Now, Shema, I make the chair like promise extra money there. I'm in the past waste nightmare. Oh, I better prepare this winner. Go solo, go over here, this is the person that was a play solo. I will play solo. I'm skilled in that song, but my Cadillac still going up. I'm ragga than raw. I still keep this like I said before. You know the more I see for a seed for exposed galore. I took the call, the diesel roll. 64 back, sitting in the fourth back. What I be listening to, music that I'm bringing back. Sitting on my back, facing back. What I lack must be gained. Crops will grow, where it rains. Same cycle, same trail. Stimulation and trail. Some try but fail, whether female or male. This journey is hard for all. The African shall rise, the rest shall fall. And after all, I would take this in as a type of governing law. Cause of the beauty that the African once was saw. Tradition and practice are most discussing human law. Not digging around such a fool. I'd rather bring the scene up and keep around the wall. And leave a massacre that the Americans couldn't ignore. For sure, I kick that shit so I can score. There's more valleys where I can swim. As I begin to show the world's emotions with this notion. And yo, she moving to my motion. You women, ready?